beans!
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, ito pa rin yung damit natin. Yun, masakit yung ano ko. So ngayon, dahil sa daming harvest po natin ng cucumber, ang daming harvest natin, di ba? So, ang gagawin ko is nagluto, ginawan ko siya ng ito. Gumawa ako ng cucumber salad. Tika muna, on nga natin itong light dito. So, gumawa ako ng cucumber salad, guys. Ito, Yun, cucumber salad. Ito yung ginawa ko para naman hindi masira. And kasi nga, sa dami nga, tignan nyo nga, hinugasan ko na dito, kinunan ko na ng, tawag nito, panit, para naman makain natin at hindi ko siya gawing salad, kundi igisa. So, sabi pa ng asawa ko, hindi man daw ito pwede kainin, init. Pero may naalala ako sa Pilipinas, yung doon pa ako, paminsan, pwede man ito i-half cook, yung igisa ba, stir fry, half cook lang ba. So yun. Daming tubig kasi dito guys. Uy, alam nyo na. So, ikakat ko lang ito, igisa with onion and garlic. And then, yun. Nisin muna natin itong kalat natin bago tayo mag-start cutting sa cucumber. Sana po masarap po ito. Pero tignan natin kung anong reaksyon ni Mister na ipatikim natin sa kanya yung cucumber na stir fry, diba? So, yun. Muntik nang makat yung kamay ko, daliri ko guys, kabuk. Color kiss. Comment down below guys kung na-start nakapag-try na ba kayo ganitong luto, yung stir fry yung cucumber with sardines. Sa akin wala kasi gustong i-try ni Tami. Dahil nga hindi uso yung bra sa bahay, sinuot ko yung silicone guys, parang may napifeel akong something. Naloka ako. Kasi nag-video tayo and then wala pala akong bagol dito. Breadagol. So ngayon, ginamit ko yung silicone. Ang ginaw, and then parang sumakit yung didi ko. Delikado ito ginawa ko guys, delikado. Sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya guys kung anong resulta nito, okay? Para naman malaman niyo kung okay ba siya. I know masarap ito with sardines Han, if I stir fry this cucumber Han with sardines, would you like to eat?
No.
Without sardines?
No.
Even without sardines? So, ito na guys, ipatry na natin sa kanya. And then, ako din, itry namin. So, let's try it together right here. You try it first. Okay. It's hot, honey. Yeah. It's really, really hot. No, it's hot. Look. Okay, let me know. Don't walk away. I
like them cold.
But it's not bad, right? Huh?
No. They're not very tasty though. Okay. Huh?
Boring taste.
This is kind of good.
Yeah.
Over here. Guys, this is the way cucumbers are supposed to be. Like that. I like that.
He likes that better. But guys, it's just like opo, yung niluto mo na opo. Para lang siyang opo na niluto mo. Pero hindi siya overcooked. Masarap yung a little bit crunchy. So yun. Para siyang opo pero kakaiba. Kasi yung opo iba din. Ito din iba. Masarap ito kapag may sardines. If I put sardines, it's probably good.
Well, put your sardines in. You're eating.
Ano ko na siya? Parang siyang upo. Crunchy. Okay guys, yun lang. So, Usually, Tommy like it salad like what we always use it to for like kinilaw. Mix it with kinilaw. Yeah, yun yung gusto ni Tommy na ganun, parang salad. Pero sa atin kasi, sa amin sa probinsya, parang na-try na namin itong pamilya eh. Gigisa namin ito, ginisa, and then with sardines. Always naman yung sardines is to flavor, you know. So, yun siya. But anyway, that's it. Pansit. So, yun lang siya. Simple. So you guys have a pancake, Tommy. I have a pancake, and Tommy have a roast beef. So we're gonna do like this together, and let's see who's gonna pick who. So let's see which one she's gonna pick. Tommy have a roast beef.
And I'm not even holding it out yet. They're just not gonna miss a chance.
No, put it up together here, together first like this. Okay, let's see which one he's gonna pick. Okay, come on. Okay, put down a little bit slowly. Hala, you drop it. Okay, which one you gonna pick? Okay, down a little bit. Come on, eat. He ate the roast beef. How about this? Missed this right there. Look, he got it. Oh my God, Rox, this is not right. This is not right. You rather eat the roast beef? How about more pancake? Oh, you love your dada more, huh?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Look, he's still looking at you even though
Of
I
course
give.
she is, even though I don't have nothing. She don't want to.
She doesn't even want to look at me here.
She knows if she come over there, and maybe she lose something here. Oh, here you go, Misty.
Can you call Misty?
Here you go, Misty, monkey.
She's looking at you. What? Ay, naku.
Too late, I gave it to Misty. Too late.
Too late. Oy, that's it. Oy, Dada don't have a roast beef anymore. And Hubs is over there too, honey.
Yeah, but I'm cleaning up his.
But you give him, right?
Yeah.
Okay, don't give him too much. He will throw up.
Too.
He will throw up. Sa mga nagsasabi, boring yung life pag walang anak. Alam nyo guys, kahit wala kaming human na anak tao. Ito naman guys, yung anak namin sobrang annoying, oh. Hey, sa nagsasabing playboy si Mister. Somebody said you're a playboy, Han. Oh my God, he is not a playboy. He's a playgirl. I'm just joking. Grabe naman kayo ay magsasabing playboy. Oy, my husband is very, very, very good husband. Even in his younger age, he's not like that. He told me the story and I believe it because, you know why? Because he's not a liar. Right, B-boy? You are correct lagi daw. Pero hindi naman yan playboy si Mister. Ay, grabe naman, oy. Ate, kung sino man yung nag-message na ganyan playboy, feeling gwapo, totoo naman talagang may hitsura itong asawa ko. At saka nung bata pa talaga siya, may hitsura talaga siya. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, hindi yan. Stick to one yan, right, Han?
I have no idea what you said.
He is stick to one. It's like if he has a girlfriend, he stick to one. And then next time, he stick to two. Hindi, playboy yung baby ko. My baby is a good boy.
You ate already?
Yes, honey, I'm a good girl, hon. So, right here. See, you're not a playboy. Playboy magazine.
Girl, you are a good girl.
Look at that. He's a good boy.
You eat all your dinner. I will get you one.
No,
Let Misty eat her dinner first.
Kawawa naman itong asawa ko. Pinagsabihan pang playboy. Saan ka maghanap ng playboy? Kung mayaman pa ito. I think if Tommy is wealthy and he is an actor, I think he will probably do that. Because money can change you. And I believe that, guys. Ang pera magpabago sa'yo. It's up to you if you use it to change for good. It's just to do a good thing or change it to do bad things. Because mostly celebrities, because a lot of people ask him to be celebrities. you know, but he doesn't do it. But I'm thinking if he is a celebrity and a lot of money, he will probably have already divorced few wives already. Kasi, you know, alam nyo naman, Hollywood. Hollywood. Pero sabi ko, parang, ano ata, yung parang hindi talaga niya, hindi, Tommy cannot act, guys. You know, he can't. he, honestly, his parents, your parents have a celebrity friends, right? So, yung parents kasi niya, guys, may mga kaibigan na mga nasa Hollywood noon. Alam mo, yung mga old days, you know, black and white nga mga ano, ganyan. Kasi matanda. So, may kaibigan silang nasa Hollywood. And then, ang nangyayari, inaano itong mister ko na mag-ano. Kasi may hitsura talaga siya, guys. And then, ayaw talaga niya. Kasi may ano yan siya, may shoota yan noon na mahal na mahal niya. At saka ayaw niya ganun-ganun nga yung mga mag-act. Ang Tommy cannot act, okay? I'm telling you. He cannot act. He has a look, but he can't act. Oh my God! If you offer him $1 million, few millions to act for like to cry or to jump, Han, listen. If he offer for $1 million to jump in, he won't even act like that. Ayaw talaga niya, guys. So yun, and even dahil nga sa trabaho niya, gano'n na yung trabaho kasi niya, guys, doon na line, you know, mga movie, gano'n. So, ngayon, ang daming nag-o-offer pa rin hanggang tumatanda na. Kasi ang look din niya, pag nung tumanda na siya, ang look din niya is pang Hollywood. Yung mga salt and pepper here, you know, may puti, may itim, nag-mix yung gano'n, may asin at saka may paminta yung buhok. At saka, good looking yan dito, guys. Yung mga ganon, guys. Yung mga may salt and pepper na buhok. Ganon style. Pakita ko nga yung buhok niya, be. Let me show them your hair. Okay. Put that down. Look. Look. Salt and pepper. Look. Ganyan yan, guys. Salt and pepper. Paminta at asin. At saka, sa mga Hollywood, ano yan siya? Sa mga may edad na popular. So, Kaya ano yan siya, parang pag makita yan sa set, ino-offeran, ba't hindi ka mag-ano? Pero ayaw talaga niya, guys. Ayaw talaga yung ini-interview yan. Ayaw talaga niya, guys. So, kaya, sa nagsasabi na may pagka-playboy itong asawa ko at feeling gwapo, mahitsura naman talaga siya. Pero yung playboy din, hindi naman talaga siya ganun. Pasalamat, who knows, you know. Pero ang sabi talaga niya, hindi talaga siya playboy noon pa. Umulan ba? Is it going to rain today?
Maybe later.
Yeah, because it's I thought it's raining a little bit. Anyway, guys, so yun lang, guys. Pasensya na. Ate, sana naman gano'n, no? Dapat masaya ka sa buhay. Huwag mong idama yung pagkagwapuhan ng asawa ko, no? Huwag mong sabihin na playboy kasi... Okay.
Waters are filled. My coffee's ready.
Guys, bago natin i-end yung ating video, meron na yung delivery. Oops, it's right here. Oops, my address. So yun, guys, bago tayo mag-end ng video, i-open lang natin itong order ko. Nag-order ako sa Amazon. Kasi nag-order ako the last time. Binalik ko, guys, ni-return ko. So hopefully this is good. Hala. This is what Tommy ordered. I ordered this for Tommy because nilagay niya yan sa cart. So, ito naman this is what I order. Ang laki-laki naman nitong box. Ang laki ng box. Ang liit ng order ko. Pakita ko nga sa inyo, ha. Munti ka nang mahiwa ang kamay ni Inday. Ging. And then, ito lang yung laman. O, diba? Wala. Oh my goodness, look. Open. Ito na siya. Oops. So, i-charge mo lang siya USB. Like that. And then, you have your earbud. Look. Okay na to. That's all. Garbage na ito. Manual. I need the manual. And that's really it.